Beneath our modern world lies a hidden network of colossal chains, forged from iron, gold, and even paper, that have shaped history in ways you've never imagined. From bridges suspended by hand-forged iron behemoths to record-breaking golden masterpieces worth millions, these aren't just tools. They're testaments to human ingenuity at its most audacious. We're about to reveal the shocking scale, unbelievable craftsmanship, and world-changing impact of chains you never knew existed. Your mind isn't ready for what's coming. Turn on notifications for information thin, because the next earth-shaking reveal could revolutionize how you see the world. Number 10. Széchenyi Chain Bridge. The Széchenyi Chain Bridge stands as a testament to 19th century engineering, with its massive iron chains spanning 375 meters across the Danube River. What makes this 1849 structure remarkable isn't just its iconic status as Budapest's first permanent bridge, but the fact that its entire weight relies on 2,200 tons of precisely forged wrought iron links. Each 3-meter chain segment weighs approximately 250 kilograms, designed to distribute tension perfectly across the suspension system. After surviving World War II damage and 175 years of constant use, these original chains still support over 50,000 daily vehicle crossings while becoming one of Europe's most photographed architectural features. Number 9. Hudson River Chain. During America's fight for independence, military engineers created a 500-ton iron barrier across the Hudson River to block British warships. This ingenious 1778 defense system consisted of massive 2-foot-long links weighing 114 pounds each, forged at New York's Sterling Iron Works. The chain's strategic placement near West Point proved effective for 6 critical weeks, with its unique C-shaped connectors allowing quick repairs when damaged. Modern metallurgical analysis reveals these colonial-era links could still withstand 70 tons of tension, demonstrating the remarkable craftsmanship of Revolutionary-era blacksmiths. Number 8. Longest Gold Chain, Dubai's record-breaking creation. Dubai's 2019 world record gold chain redefined extravagance, stretching 5.5 kilometers through meticulous craftsmanship. This $15 million masterpiece required 100 jewelers working 45 days to assemble 4 million individual links from 240 kilograms of 21-carat gold. The chain's Spiga weave pattern was specifically engineered to prevent kinking at extreme lengths, while still maintaining enough flexibility to be worn by 1,750 people simultaneously during its unveiling. Beyond its commercial value, this golden marvel represents the perfect marriage of traditional goldsmithing techniques with modern manufacturing ambition. Number 7. Nimitz-Class Anchor Chains. The anchor chains securing U.S. Nimitz-Class aircraft carriers represent marine engineering at its most robust. Each ship deploys 2 1,082-foot chains weighing a combined 510,000 pounds, with individual links tipping the scales at 136 pounds. These chains undergo rigorous testing at 1.5 million pounds of tension to ensure they can hold 100,000-ton carriers during hurricane force conditions. What's most impressive is the manufacturing precision. Each link must maintain exact 1/8 inch tolerances, a standard that makes these chains as precise as they are powerful. Number 6. Fury 325 Roller Coaster. North Carolina's Fury 325 roller coaster demonstrates how traditional chain technology enables modern thrill rides. Its 5,000-foot aircraft-grade steel chain reliably lifts 32 passenger trains up a 99-meter vertical slope at 25 centimeters per second, completing about 18,000 lifts annually without failure. The system's silent operation belies its incredible strength, using precisely calibrated tension to smoothly transport 15,000 riders daily during peak seasons. This application proves chains remain indispensable even in high-tech amusement engineering, where safety and reliability are non-negotiable. Number 5. Paper Doll Chain. Delicate artistry at scale. Canadian artist Jacqueline Dyson's 1.2-kilometer paper doll chain redefined what chains could be in 2018. Using just 650 sheets of paper and surgical precision, she created 5,000 interconnected figures that demonstrated chain principles through fragility rather than strength. The installation's success relied entirely on perfect tension balance and weight distribution, with each paper link carefully calibrated to support the next. This temporary artwork highlighted how fundamental chain mechanics apply across materials, even when working with something as delicate as paper. Number 3. Cutting chain, industrial powerhouse. Modern industrial cutting chains represent a revolution in material processing technology. These specialized chains, used in everything from mining equipment to demolition machinery, feature tungsten carbide teeth mounted on high-strength alloy links. A single chain on a large trenching machine can span over 20 meters and weigh several tons, with each link engineered to withstand tremendous impact forces. The manufacturing process involves precision laser cutting, heat treatment, and computerized quality control to ensure every component meets exacting standards. These chains demonstrate remarkable durability, often operating in extremely abrasive environments while maintaining cutting efficiency. Their design has evolved through decades of engineering refinement, balancing cutting speed, power consumption, and operational lifespan to create tools that can slice through concrete, rock, and even steel with astonishing efficiency.